we're hiking the trail to Laguna Esmeralda, which is Emerald Lake. And we can see the mountains in the distance.
This is outside of Ushuaia, Argentina.
The end of the world, El fin del mundo. And we're with Steve and Lexi.
Say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
What are you wearing on your legs?
These are my gaiters because it's very muddy, but so far I've kept them mostly clean. There's a little mud.
We're on the uphill part.
It's steep. Good job.
Hola! Un perro!
Sorry.
Okay. I think this is the final ascent to the Laguna Esmeralda. Okay, say ooh and ah as you come up.
Oh. Ooh and ah, yeah. Wow, there's the lake. There it is. Yeah.
We're at Laguna Esmeralda.
We made it.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Beautiful. With the snow peaks behind us.
And
What
a
a
beautiful
gorgeous, clear day.
day. So beautiful. Tengo hambre.
Hace de todo, pero no le des comida. Está súper. Pues nosotros somos bien, pero los humanos no.
It's video.
Don't move, don't move. Here's a net for the bird.
We're in Tierra del Fuego National Parque.
All right, that's our goal.
Gotta go fast.
Touch the border with Chile.
That's good, guy.
We're heading to the Chilean border.
But don't cross it.
Don't cross it.
It's illegal.
Yeah, I had this dream that we'd cross it, they'd stop us coming back into Argentina, and we missed the cruise.
That's a nightmare. We're walking fast. We got a goal to make. We heard a woodpecker, but we couldn't see it. We were looking for the red head. Oh, hear it?
Wait,
Now he's just teasing us.
I know.
were you the cause of all these trees being knocked down? Huh? Wherever you are? As we continue to walk along this shore trail, this is what we see on the other side.
In Chile.
But now we're still heading toward the Chilean border. We think Becky and Lexi have been arrested because they crossed the border, and we'll have to go on the Antarctic cruise without them. Here we go. We're almost to Chile.
Frontera.
Está aquí.
Está aquí.
Woo! Look at it.
Yay!
Hey.
Wait. No, see. I touched it too. There, we're all on.
Yay!
Where's the guard gate and the machine guns and all?
I know.
They're hidden in the woods. Should we put our toe on the other side?
No, we're law-abiding citizens. You can put your arm into the airspace, but no steps.
We're on our way back over the same log. Where's the woodpecker?
Listen, I hear a Tweety bird now. El fin del mundo. This is the very end of the Route 3 that goes all the way from Alaska down the entire North America, South America to here. It stops here.
Tierra de Fuego.
There's the sign.
Of the Route 3 highway, all the way through 2 continents.
Alaska, 17,848 kilometers. All right, and here's the ticket, $40 each to get in the park, Tierra del Fuego.
We're about to hike up the Marshall Glacier, 9:14 en la mañana. Here we are, summiting a mountain, a glacier mountain. So we're on the road going up to the Marshall Glacier. Right now we're on the road part because the path is very, very muddy. The guide told us no bueno, so we'll get over there later. Beautiful view of the Beagle Channel beginnings.
Here's a runner in the Ushuaia Marathon.
There's a marathon going on with several different distances actually. Marathon distance and other 20K, things like that.
We're about to go and follow the ski lift path up. Go up here to the right where the Senda sign is.
Vamos a la Glacier Marcha.
The one lady told me that once you get up high enough, you'll be sort of in the fog, and it gets a little more dangerous because you really can't see all the snow and ice.
Okay.
We're starting to see the glacier. We're almost there.
Up the mountain.
Okay, we've come to the fork in the road, but we're going to take the left-hand part, which takes us to the glaciers. We're going to head up there now and see how snowy it is and how icy it is, and proceed with caution. This trail here, we'll see how far we get before the snow stops us. We're gonna walk across the glacier. There it is. Here we go. If we slip, we might end up there. How you doing on the glacier?
I'm fine, no slipping so far.
I made it successfully across.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Careful.
We've decided to turn around because there's only a narrow path. It's covered with snow. It's a little slippery and it's very steep off the edge.
So we're gonna test this post. Ready? Boom. Lexi is gonna touch it. Boom.
Boom. Our elevation gain is 1,941 feet. We've gone 3.83 miles since we started, and it took us 2 hours and 35 minutes.
Elevation of 2,350 feet.